Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Akko MU02 mechanical keyboard in the mountain seclusion theme. This keyboard is something special, immediately catching the eye with its smooth, polished solidwood case. Akko went all out, pairing an aluminum top case with a warm-tone walnut wooden bottom case. It really gives off a vibe of natural serenity. The keycaps are MOA profile PBT die sub, which means they're not only comfortable to type on, but also incredibly durable. The legends are resistant to fading and becoming oily, a huge plus for long-term use. And for those who like to tinker, the keyboard is hot swappable, allowing for easy switch changes. Akko didn't skimp on the features either. The MU02 boasts programmable RGB backlighting, customizable via Akko Cloud Driver. You can tweak key definitions, RGB profiles, and animation effects to your heart's content. Plus, there are over 12 predefined media hotkeys for volume control, calculator, and more. Typing feel is where this keyboard truly shines. Akko has upgraded the noise reduction system to 5 layers, including a PET layer and 3mm pour-on case foam. The gasket mount design provides a soft, cushioned typing experience right out of the box. Connectivity is versatile with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired Type-C options. The 4,000 mAh battery is a welcome addition, making it ideal for users with multiple devices. Akko even includes wood wax to help maintain the wooden case, showing attention to detail. The Akko MU02 is more than just a keyboard. It's a statement piece.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.